AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 counter definitions. Each record created in the WOLVOX ERP program, such as invoice, client, and stock, gets a number from the counter templates. You can customize these templates as you wish, based on user, branch, company, and terminal. For example, you can assign any user to create records with a special counter template for this user. A default counter template will be defined for each counter type on our program. The default counter cannot be authorized, and the counter cannot be deleted. To create a counter, from the admin menu, click the Counter Transactions, Counter Definitions button. The counters that you can create, depending on your modules, are listed on the left side of the screen. You can create counters individually, or you can create them in bulk. Click the plus button. Enter the code and comment on your counter. You can enter a number in the Number Ready to Printed field to determine which number your counter will start with. You can select how many digits your counter will be from the Digit Count field. You can add letters or numbers to the beginning or end of your counter that will remain constant and will not be deducted from your counter digit. After entering all the information, click the Save button. You can give the user or terminal authorization by clicking on the counter you created. To create counters in bulk, click the Create Counter button in the upper right. Fill in the counter code, digit count, prepend, and add to end fields for the counters you want to create from the window that opens. After this process, activate the three-dot button by double-clicking on the user's field. You can match the user by clicking this button. To copy any column to other rows, point the row you want and click the Copy button. Click the Yes button on the screen that appears. You have created your counters. Users you have authorized while creating counters must open the ERP with their accounts and select the counter. To do this, click the Admin menu from the User account and the Counter Selection button from the Counter Transactions field. Click on each counter for which your user is authorized and click on the Use Active Counter and Make Active Counter default buttons in order. After this process, the user will make transactions with the counter they choose in any form they will create.